Hey, Wazowski, nice job. Those numbers are pretty sweet.
Are they? I hadn't even noticed. And how is Georgie doing?
He's doing great. I love working with that big guy.
Keep the doors coming, Charlie. I'm on a roll today.
George and I are like brothers. 2319! We have a 2319!
Stop right there, criminal scum!
Let's move! Coming through, please. Inside, clear the contaminated area. This is the 2319 in progress. The area is clear. Coming through, watch yourself. Stand back. Careful. All clear. Situation is 990. Ready for decon.
Hey, thanks, guys. That was a close one.
Okay.
Okay, people, take a break. You gotta shut down for a half hour and reset the system.
An entire scare floor out of commission. What else can go wrong?